Yo, 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 it's your boy RV from Skillful Solutionz with another dope video. Back talking about Builderall again. It's one all-in-one platform. We're gonna go through all of the tools that platform that Builderall has to offer on this great all-in-one platform. And today is no different, right? We're gonna talk about the tool Plume. Plume. Builderall Plume. Is it Plume or Plum? Plume or Plum? But here we go right here. Builderall Plume. Create ebooks, checklists, banners, and other custom sized projects with a new and improved web publishing app. Let's go ahead and learn a little bit more about the app, and then we're going to go dig deep into it so we can actually take a look at it, right? But here we go. Huge catalog. You know what I mean? It has different, I said it has different ebooks that you can choose from. I'm just trying to pause my phone. That's why I'm put my phone on vibrate. That's why I'm talking a little slow. Now we at it. We on like popcorn. You know what I mean? I just want to make sure everything is on silent, so I don't have to worry about no buzzing in the background. That's all. But look, you can see, yeah, but y'all can still see the screen. You see it's still working. You know what I'm saying? Huge catalog. Edit and price all your products and service interactively. You know what I'm saying? I'll let y'all look at that real quick. Look at that. Boom. Put it all together. Your magazine is not published. Just that fast. You know what I'm saying? Just that fast. Yep. Digital bait. Your ebook is digital bait. Let's go down. Advertising with digital magazine. Performance system for high volume demands. Personal layout and design. Create your file and use it for your print magazine. You know what I'm saying? Build and promote the perfect magazine for your business. That's what we do. That's what Plume can do for you. You know what I'm saying? Simple access to your company product, services, and content catalog. So you can make a content catalog. You know what I mean? Like, you can do it all. They got these different templates, and we're gonna dig into the different templates, right? I'm gonna go in and show you. I like to take you in there and show you. You know what I'm saying? What it do, how to do different things real quick. That's what I do. You know what I mean? Take you in there and show you what it do. But look at that. You know what I mean? You can flip through. You know what I'm saying? Hey, just try Builderall, man. If you're looking to scale your business, if you're looking for a one-stop shop, hey, just try Builderall. You know what I mean? Click on the link and down in the description. And hey, listen, it's 14 days for free. You know what I'm saying? You got to have your credit card. So it's 14 days for free. But if you cancel before the 14 days, you don't have to pay anything. You know what I mean? Then after that, it's $7 a month for 2 months. So that's $14. You know what I'm saying? For 2.5 months. You know what I'm saying? That's $14 for 2.5 months. You can put videos in here also. You know what I mean? You can put an iframe in there to put any kind of video. Build your pages, edit the layouts, contact and engagement, publisher news and promotions. You know what I mean? Yeah. Look at that. You're gonna have a nice, nice little page here, nice little magazine. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what all-in-one business, all-in-one. You know what I'm saying? Builderall is the all-in-one platform. It's all-in-one. You know what I'm saying? It's all-in-one. But let's jump into it so you can actually see inside the platform for yourself. You don't gotta take my word for it. You know what I'm saying? We can go jump right in and go see it for yourself. Builderall, Plume or Plume. Which one is it? Plume or Plume? So let's go over here to all the templates. Now here's all the templates right here. They loading in, so you can know that this ain't just we ain't just faking the funk. You know what I mean? I would say pre-recorded. But yeah, these are all of the templates that you get to choose from. You know what I'm saying? These are all of the templates that you get to choose from. All of the templates you get to choose from. Right? In different languages and everything. There's all the templates you get to choose from. You got music, and then if you just want to view one, you can just go preview it. Go in there, the content. You know what I'm saying? And then you go in there and just put your stuff in here. Just that simple. Just that simple. Just that simple. So that's one template. So if you ever want to see the template, you can just go in there and press on, like somebody dealing in real estate. You can go ahead and create them a real estate magazine. You know what I mean? About them and their company and everything. So it's plenty of templates to choose from. So let's somebody getting married, they got a little template for that. You know what I mean? Catering and chef, let's look at this template. Let's take a look at this one. You know what I'm saying? If you cater and you a chef, you can make your own magazine to get people to come and book you. You know what I mean? You can show them videos of the foods you making, pictures like this showing pictures of the food that's being made. You know what I'm saying? So it's just so many different. That's a nice one. That was nice and long too. A couple pages. I ain't gonna say it's long like that, but it was a couple pages longer than the other one. You know what I mean? But listen, these are the templates. You know what I'm saying? Agency magazine template. Let's take a look at that one. Then we're gonna dive into one of them real quick. Yeah, I like this one too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Just add, change your pictures up. Add your pictures and your verbiage, and you good to go. So let's jump into one real quick. Let's go back up here to the top. Let's find one we can jump into. Let's jump into music. Let's check out music. Let's jump in now. So here goes music. You know what I'm saying? So if you need to change, like say if you need to change the color to this, you know what I mean? You go in there, change the color, you hit that, and then you go to text. Boom, see it changed it red. I had difficulties the other day. Like, what the world's going on? So if you need to change like this picture or something, this picture might be a whole background. Hold on. Let me put this over here. This might be a whole background. Let's see. Yeah, that's a whole background. But you can change the background also. You know what I mean? Go up here, upload. And then I got some different backgrounds up here already. Let's see if I got anything that would go with that or whatever, just to see. I don't think I do, to be honest. But we're going to change it so you can see that it can be changed. Which one? Yeah, let's change it that to see what it look like. Oh, yeah, see, look at that background. You know what I'm saying? And then it just need to, you pull it on down. And then you can pull it on down a little bit, then make it smaller so I can get it down in this area. Boom. You know what I'm saying? So if you got a shirt to promote or something like that, you can change that. And if you need to go to the next page, this how you go from page to page. Like this template tell you how many pages it has or whatever. And then this one take you to the next page, to the next page, to the next page, to the next page. If you want to go to the end, it take you all the way down there. And if you want to go back here, it'll take you right there or whatever. So, so we're going to go over everything inside of here real fast. Let's go. And then we're going to go back to the front, which we already back to the front. Right? And if you want to add an image, you press that, boom. Now you can add the image or whatever. And then, now, look, you can go in there, change that, and then upload you an image. Upload the image, boom, hit that right there. Hit the check mark right here. That's how you upload the image, as we already seen. So and then like if you want to just lay it out, you can put everything to the side. You know what I'm saying? Then decide where you want to go put it or whatever. You know what I'm saying? And so that's if you want to add an image, that's text. And then if you want to add a shape, now these are different shapes. You know what I'm saying? You hit the button and add the shape on there. So you can make it bigger, smaller. Actually added two of them. We're going to delete one of them. We're going to make it bigger, smaller. We're going to make it smaller and put it over here. We're going to put it inside there. Inside the C. That means you're going to be a musical star. You know what I'm saying? You're going to be a musical star. Yeah. And just slide it on up in a little bit down, a little bit. I put it down a little bit more. Let me nudge it down. Boom. Nudge it. Put it there. Just nudge it to the left, just a little bit up. 1, 2, boom. That should be doing that. Yep, there it is. You can add the star right there. And then this, if you want to add a video, you click on it, go to edit, and now you can upload a YouTube video. You can upload a YouTube video or what's that, Venmo, I believe it is. You just got to get the URL from the video, upload it in there, and now you have a video. You have your own video on there, right? And then this is the iframe. So now you can have an iframe to where now you can add a video to your iframe. Actually, I'm gonna do that. Watch this. Now I'm gonna go to let me see. Boom. Let's go here and let's go into the video hosting. We hit the video hosting. That's where I hold my videos at. And then I go get the embed code. My media. Let's get the embed code for this one. Watch this, embed code, boom. This for the iframe, we copied it, and now we get to go to build back here. Embed code, you paste it in there. We paste it in there, and then, oops, hold on. That ain't what I'm trying to do. Oh, I ain't trying to do that. This the one. Come on back. What are you doing? Come on back. What are you doing? I let you know this is all real. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes things just don't quite work for you. You know what I'm saying? It's technology. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is. It's technology. Let me go get this other. Let me just put this code back down here for a minute. And let me go get the other code. Let me make sure that I got the right code. Let me get that one. Make sure I got the right code. And then paste that one in there. Boom. Let's paste that one in there. And then let's delete this one, right? Because I want y'all to see it. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to see it. You know what I'm saying? And then we're going to put it right here for now. All right. Let's put it right there. So now let's publish it real fast. I think sometimes you only see the video once you publish it. You know what I'm saying? See, yep, there go the video. You know what I'm saying? That's the video. Look. Yeah, you hear it playing. So that's how you add the video. You know what I'm saying? You got to publish it so you actually can see it. Until then, you won't actually see it. But yeah, let's go and delete that one. Yeah, and then, like I said, we need to change something else. You can change this picture. You can change the font. You can change everything. Let me see here. Yeah, you can change the font right here if you want to change it or whatever. But that's just how, this is just a quick video on how you can make an actual magazine. You can make different templates. You can do whatever you want. Let's say if you want to start with a blank canvas, you can do that too. You know what I mean? You can start with a blank canvas too. And we go to create new project. Look, there you go, blank. You know what I'm saying? Now you can start from scratch. You can make whatever kind of template you want or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So you can use this. Like I said, you can there's a few of them that's already kind of set up to where you can just actually, like this Instagram one. This is already pretty much set up. Let's just view it real quick. But look, tricks on how to use Instagram to leverage your marketing. Boom. See, he already wrote this book, and it got everything in here. You know what I'm saying? How to link your account, Instagram feed, understand IGTV, understand the stories. You know what I mean? It gives you a breakdown of what the stories are, how to understand the Instagram direct, organic growth. You know what I mean? Understanding the bio. You know what I mean? External tool, final tips, conclusion. Instagram is at the top of the busiest social network and and allows a greater result for digital or physical businesses. By taking full advantage of Instagram, you will be able to get the best result with your social media marketing. You can do most of the work by yourself if you have the time, but investing in a company or professional to take care of your profile is also a valid option and will maximize your results. Now it's up to you. But listen, you already got this. This book is already in here. You know what I'm saying? So you can use that just to gain. If you're a marketer on Instagram, you can just use that book and maybe, change your name on it, change the picture on it or something like that. And then you can use that book actually, as a lead magnet on one of your pages and give that away for free just to get their information. You know what I'm saying? And here go another book that Builderall, the all-in-one digital marketing platform. It talks about it. You know what I'm saying? It got the YouTube page, like you see it right here. You can hit the button and keep, and go to the next page. You know what I'm saying? Look, the table of content. You can, yeah. Look at that. I was trying to go back to the front where I first came from. That's why I go back so fast. But like right here, look, it said go to page 40. I clicked the button and went to page 40. You know what I'm saying? Online coaching, go page 44. Boom. You know what I'm saying? So, the book, it got, as you can see how has it laid out. This can be used for your marketing, for Builderall. I think this talked about Mailing Boss. You know what I'm saying? Mailing Boss tips. So, it's many different things that you can use in this, in Plume as a magazine builder. You can build your own magazine, or you can, and use it from scratch, or you can grab a template and be able to take out your pictures, add your heading, or whatever the case you need to do. It's already there for you. All right. So listen, that's a quick lesson on Builderall Plume. A great tool within Builderall. You don't have to go outside of Builderall to actually use it for real. You know what I'm saying? And then you can use other things like ChatGPT and things like that. The actual, if you want to just write a book or write some tips and things like that. And I'm gonna have a tutorial on how you can use ChatGPT to help you build out your magazine, your spreadsheet, whatever you trying to build out. I can show you how to build it out using ChatGPT. So I'm gonna do a future video about that. But listen, if you like this video, you know what I'm saying, like, share, subscribe, send it to somebody that needs a website done. That's on the edge of just getting a platform, right? This is an all-in-one platform. I got other videos that I already have done talking about other tools within the platform, and we're gonna go over every tool within the Builderall platform. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, so we can keep on doing videos like this to teach you everything you need to know about Builderall, this amazing platform. Again, like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions about Builderall Plume or any questions about Builderall, period, comment below and I'll be sure to get with you 100%. If you need somebody to build out your a magazine within Plume or within Builderall, if you want us to build you out a funnel, build you out a website, email marketing, whatever you need that's dealing with Builderall, reach out to us at Skillful Solutionz. The link is going to be below, but it's Skillful Solutionz. Solutions has a Z at the end instead of the S. And reach out to us, but the link going to be below. Just hit that link or copy and paste the link. You know what I'm saying? And you'll be able to go right to the website. There's going to be a few questions you're going to have to answer, whatever, so we can better understand your business. And we'll get back with you. One of my team members will get back with you, and we'll build out whatever you need to get builded out. You got any questions, comment below. Any questions, comment below. Listen, this is your boy RV, and guess what? I'm out, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.